of odd and even. Let's start doing. C++ program to check if given integer is even or odd. Main function, and first of all you have to initialize a variable int num. Just take an input num, and after that check another variable remainder, in which you have to initialize the modulo of that number. Got it? Hope so. And now we will check if the remainder equals to 0. I know battery low. So if the remainder is 0, we know this is even, and in else if that is not equal to 0, that means that is odd. Got it? Let's check either our program is right or wrong. So first of all we have to compile this by command B. After that going to directory, documents, cpp, now G++. What's the name of this? Even odd. G++ even odd dot cpp dash o even odd dot out. Compile successfully. There is not any error, so we will print the even odd dot out. So we have to given a number as it takes input, just like suppose we will give 46, okay, and we know this is even. Now we will wait for the program that give output as a even. This is even. Got it? Means our program is right. And once again let's give a odd number, just like 77. Now this is odd. Got it? Now let's do next program.